Today I will show you how to make this custom rally racing looking car. So these are the pieces you will need to make this car. Let's get to it! So first we'll grab this base over here, two attachment pieces for our wheels, put them right over there, and then attach 4 wheels. Now we will need 2 of these pieces. They will serve as the front and the back for our car. Put one there and another one behind. Let's put our fenders. Put them right on top of the wheels. Do that for all 4. Next, we'll grab these, put them right on the very corners. Next, we will grab these pieces. They will serve as the doors. Install them. Whoops. For the back of our car, we will need those pieces. They will serve as the exhaust. An attachment piece like this. Put the exhaust right over there. Flip our car and put it right over there. You should get something like this. Put a 1x2 flat, like a license plate. 2 red lights like this. Next, grab 2 2x4s, put them on top all of this, just like that. Grab a window, make sure you leave 1x4 over here. Put a 1x4 right in there. Your hood. For the front, we will need this piece. It will act sorta like a bumper. Put it underneath your car. Grab 2 of these tinted lights. Put them in these spots. Add a 1x2 grill. Next, you can finish up the interior of your car. I put a steering wheel there, a 1x2 brick. This will act as the seat. And just put it in the very back corner. Put the front windshield. A 1x2, it really doesn't matter what color it is because we're gonna hide it with these pieces. Put those on top. And a 1x2 over here so that we have like a stripe pattern going on. Let's finish up the back now. So these little 1x1 pieces, we're gonna put these triangular bricks as the bumper. Nice, we're done with the back. Put a roof on top. Next, I use those white circled lights. I put them in the front so they looks more like a rally car. put these over here and the 1x2. You could use a grill or a normal one. They will both look good. And so yeah, there you go. Now you know how to build a rally car like this. If you like this video, please put a like, comment, and I'll see you next time.